How to log into Santander Bank app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into the Santander Bank app on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log into the Santander banking application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Santander Bank app here. And once you launch the Santander Bank app, you're actually going to be able to see this type of interface. So let me just rotate the iPad a little bit for you over here. And once I've done this, I'm going to go and tap on the next or skip the tutorial here. The first thing I can do is I can enter my user ID here. Once I enter my user ID, I can also make sure to enter my password here and then just tap on the forgot user ID or password option if you happen to forget your user ID or password. Otherwise, you can directly tap the login option and log into your account over here. And this way you should be able to log into your Santander Bank online banking or your mobile banking account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.